everyone. This is the lecture number 15, and we are going to continue our lecture online in this format. Well, I would say this is not my my favorite format, but well, probably we have to continue this way in the remainder of this semester. Well, anyhow, the plan may change, so I can't promise you anything for now. And before we start the lecture, I want to go through how is our plan going to be changed in the remainder of this semester. So the first thing is the teaching. So online videos will be uploaded to YouTube. So I'm gonna record this kind of videos from my office, and then I'm gonna upload my videos. Well, and you know YouTube, right? And I will post the links to my videos on Canvas. And well, this is a asynchronized teaching, so I will upload the videos and you can watch the video anytime you want to. So we won't have a virtual online classroom that we are gonna work together and I talk and you will listen. So it will be the teaching will be asynchronized. Okay, the next part, the homework. So all the homeworks will still be submitted on Canvas. So we are going to continue using Canvas. And the course policy allows you guys to work in pairs. And even though we have closed down the campus, well, I'm going to still allow you to work in pairs. However, it might be a little bit hard, but remember you can set up online meetings or you can use Zoom. Since it is a coronavirus pandemic season, probably I won't encourage you guys to really sit together and work together. Another thing is if you are considering trying to come to campus and work together on the homework questions, keep track on this. This is an ongoing discussion saying probably later they're going to post a ban disallowing students to come to campus to the academic buildings. Well, this hasn't been fully announced yet, but I know there's a conversation going on. And well, at last, make sure you submit on time. There are two remaining exams, one midterm and one final, and they will both be take-home exams. Uh, so for midterm, I'm gonna extend that for 1 week. So midterm two will be on April 2nd, and the final exam will be on the same day, which is May the 5th, unless the university announces that the teaching plan has to be extended by 1 week or something similar. Otherwise, we are still staying with the same final exam date. For each of the exam, I'm going to allow you more time because I don't know which time zone you will be in. So, if I give you 12 hours and you should have at least 4 hours to work on the final exam and the midterm, and that should be sufficient. And for two exams, they are both individual work, and you have to submit your solutions to Canvas too. And the next thing is the office hours. I'm gonna hold office hour online, and you can see that is my hyperlink to my personal Zoom meeting. So I'm gonna promise you that for Mondays 3 to 4 and the Wednesday 10 to 11, I promise you I will be online in that virtual meeting room. So if you have any questions, just come to that Zoom meeting on those two time slots. And if you have never done any Zoom meeting yet, there is also a test hyperlink. So you can click on that test hyperlink to test whether your hardwares are okay to do the Zoom meetings. You don't really have to have a web camera, but you need a functional microphone. And another cool thing about Zoom is, multiple people can just come and go, and then as long as the meeting is open, and then people can come and go. So if you want to come, and then if you ask questions, and that question might be helpful to other students too. So feel free to ask questions, and I will be in the Zoom meeting to answer your questions. The last thing is online discussions. I really enjoy talking to you face to face and having nice discussions. Unfortunately, it's not doable. So, well, if you have any questions you want to have discussion with me or with your other student in the same class, well, go to Canvas and there is a discussion board. So we are going to use that discussion board and you can post your questions and you can ask for hints saying, well, am I on the right track? And then if I see your post and I will answer your questions. Or you can also help each other on that discussion board. Well, if you are trying to share your ideas or your ongoing solutions, remember no more than half of your full solution can be posted. So it's not okay if you almost post all the solutions and ask me or your peer student saying, hey, this is my idea on doing this question. Well, is that okay? If you are posting too much, and then I have to delete your post. So just be careful with that. So those are the updates of the course policies after the spring break. And later I'm gonna continue with the lecture 15.